Welcome to GROFT the Grid, guys. I might say that again later. I'm just adding a little intro. This is going to be the greenhouse tour. We are not going to go over the water system in depth on this video. I will post another video that breaks that down a little bit better. And actually, you guys will see me install the water timer because I hadn't done that yet. So here we go. Hi, guys. Welcome to GROFT the Grid. As you can see, we have a lot going on. We've got planter boxes going on out there. Starting our vegetable garden. We got the gate up. I don't know if you saw anything about the gate. With the gates up, I got my husband another Connex for all of his tools. We turned that shed into Ivy's playroom, so all of her toys are out there. Ooh, and my bees. My beehives are there, and we will be getting bees in a couple days, and I'll make a video for that too. But what I'm going to talk to you about today is that the greenhouse is finished, and I'm going to give you a tour. I painted the outside, so that part's done. Hung some wind chimes. And I'll take you in and show you what we've got. So on this side of the greenhouse, I've just been kind of keeping my house plants. I brought a chair in to sit on while I was working. So just have everything on the shelves. Some stuff on the floor because it's getting too much sun and I wasn't here, so they got burnt out. So I'm hoping they'll be okay. I moved some stuff. But this system is working great. So let me show you what we have. I will turn it on. Okay, so I had to turn the hose on full blast so that it would fill up and not be really loud for the video. But typically that flower pot would not be overflowing. So what I do is I just leave that run and then it goes down. This is slightly slanted, a shelf, and it's lined with, I'll think of it, whether it's like weather watch. Yeah, it's called Weather Watch for a roof. So it's all waterproof and it holds the water, and then the water just drains out this down here once it's full up enough so that it doesn't overflow. So it's draining a little tiny bit right now. And then the tube just goes down the floor and out to the yard. So that is a bottom water system, which is the way I like to do it. Just quick run you through. I've got some squash here, cucumbers, peppers. What is this one? Brussels sprouts and broccoli, asparagus, celery, eggplant, hollyhocks, daisies, passion flower, which I can never start from seed. I don't know. I don't think that is passion flower. I think it's seeds that came over from something else. Black-eyed Susans. These are some bare root peonies I ordered from the Holland Bulb place. My tomatoes, cucumbers, some more squash and zucchini. There's some more eggplants back in that corner. This is all my melons and pumpkins. So you can see my pumpkins are getting big, so they'll probably need to be transplanted or put out. The little things in the front, they're all coneflower. These are black-eyed Susans, bare root. And this is called a blue toad lily, so that one will be interesting. Cauliflower. Beans, cabbage, and then these are just some herbs. I've got peppermint, sage, anise, chamomile. I think chamomile. Yeah, chamomile. And what else? Oh, lemon balm and lavender. And then I just put this, it's a railing that's supposed to go on the steps. I just hung it upside down from the ceiling. We happen to have it laying around. This is a fuchsia. I tried to overwinter. I don't know if that will work. This I saved from a dumpster last year. It was completely dead at Lowe's, but it's looking pretty good. Of course, some wandering Jew. My brother gave me this. I can't remember what it's called. And then my other hanging stuff. So it's working really nicely. I like the water system because we can leave it run. Since we're on a gravity-fed water system, I can just leave it run when I am gone. And it just runs the whole time I'm gone so that everything had water. But now I'm going to turn it off because I want to let everything have a chance to dry out a bit so I don't get any root rot going on. And I'm going to start putting stuff out during the day so we can get them out of here and get them into the garden. And I'll take you on a garden tour on another video. And there's the dog who played really hard this morning. She's exhausted. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And happy gardening.